Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, heavy duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and V8 engine. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. Ram gets the job done. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.